What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. So I just wanted to jump on here to give you a quick update with what's going on with the channel and a couple of things we have planned which are going to be, looks like they're going to be happening very soon, depending on how you guys react. So let's go. Okay guys, so this isn't going to be a long video. I've already given this update on our Telegram about a week ago. It's free, go check it out. It's in the link. The link is in the description down below. I'll always put announcements and things first on there, and then it will be YouTube and Instagram after that. But talking to Telegram, what the first update is that when Telegram hits 100 subscribers, I think we're on 86 currently as I'm recording this. Once we go above 100 subscribers, I will then begin to give here and there a trade which you can follow if you wish. Some of you have been asking that for a long time, but basically every now and then, it's not going to be every day because that's going to be coming later down the line, but here and there I will give a trade on there which you can take alongside me if you wish to, or you can just view it as education and just see how it ends up in real time. So that's the first update. The second update is more about the YouTube channel, and it's the bigger update. So we're currently at 888 subscribers, which is just unreal, and I can't believe we've got there in such a short amount of time. I've really started properly posting on the channel late November, early December last year, and yeah, we're almost already at 1,000 subscribers. So thank you so much to all of you who have subscribed. It really means a lot, and I literally am so stoked, so thank you. So to celebrate us getting to 1,000 subscribers soon, what I'm going to do is the first live stream that we've done on the channel for a long time, since before I think it had 50 subscribers, something like that. So it's going to be the first live stream, and basically on the live stream we're going to hopefully, depending on the time of the day, I need to figure it out, but look for some trades, get some trading in the go, obviously. Also going to do a Q&A, so if you're in the chat and you want to ask me a question, I'll answer your questions. Also going to be announcing the giveaway. And I've also got something else launching on that day as well. So it'll be a big day, it'll be a big stream, and I really hope to see as many of you there as possible. I'll keep you up to date on Instagram and on Telegram about that, and you know, depends when the subscribers come. If we get to 1,000 real quick, then it could be in as soon as, I don't know, tomorrow or the next day. I'm going to try and do the stream as close to the 1,000 as I can. It might be after the fact because I'm quite busy with other things as well, so it's going to be difficult just to like jump on at the time that we get 1,000. But I'm been planning for this and got some exciting stuff to do on that. So that's pretty much the update, really. The Telegram, we want to get that to 100, and obviously YouTube, we want to get that to 1,000 and beyond. And then probably, you know, at each milestone, we'll do a stream, etc., like that. But also, I want to say that that will also trigger live streams on the channel. I'm not going to do them every day again, as I say, but I am going to start live stream my trading sessions, whether that will be first thing in the morning in the UK or in the afternoon in the London session there. So yeah, once we get 100 and 1,000, things will start to change on those both channels, and I really hope that you're going to enjoy that. So yeah, that's the update. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, because the more you subscribe, the quicker we're going to get this channel up together and this live stream going. And go check out the Telegram in the description and the other links down there as well. And yeah, once again, I can't thank you enough for the support. It's amazing. And yeah, I'll leave the video here. So you haven't already, do all that bit, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.